Hey everybody, Charlie Montoya with Jupiter, and here today to talk to you about our 92 CT, just fresh from Infocom announcement and launching this product. So, one thing we want to talk to you about that's different about this is a full 20 points of touch display. So not only is it great for your normal conference room as a display, but it also gives you that flexibility and future-proof of being a touch display as well. So right now, we actually have our Windows OPS, but this could be your laptop, this could be your PC, this could be anything that you have set into it. So we're literally just gonna double click, we're gonna open up a browser here, and we're gonna go, hey, take a look at the Jupiter website. Great website, I love my marketing team for building it and redesigning it, but you know what? As always, we would love to change some things on it. So I can literally overlay and write on this in any color that I want. So I can say, hey, I love this. Zavis is a great product. We need to talk about this more and more and more and more. Hey, how about our Windows processors? Have you learned about that? Have you taken a look at our latest Windows processors? Soon to be Windows 11, a lot more stuff coming up with it. Great, let's talk about this. Any application that you have, you can write on top of it. This is great for those collaboration rooms. This is great for the marketing teams, the accounting teams, the analysts, the sales. Across the board, it gives you that flexibility to come in and write on anything that you would like. And if you need to, you can literally save it locally, or you can also email it out if you like. Whichever you prefer, you have the ability to do with the system because it's also connected to the network. Now let's say you go, hey, you know what? I don't want to be plugged into a laptop. I don't want to be plugged into a device. Well, the cool part about this is we also have Android built inside of it. So if you go, you know what, I just want to do straight whiteboard capabilities. You know what, we got you covered there too. So we have full 20 points of touch capabilities built inside of our system. So if you want to come in and just do a normal whiteboard, if you want to come in and if you want to do an overlay, I want to write on top of an Excel spreadsheet, a Word document, a web page, whatever it may be, Jupiter's 92 CT has you covered. We're there for simple, easy to use, and give you all the future proofing you need for your conference room and environment. So please, if you want to learn more, take a look at Jupiter.com. Also, follow us on LinkedIn. Thanks. Take care. Have a great day.